Welcome on over to Automotive World, everyone. I am your host, Randy Mystery, and tonight we have some recall news. This is something we're just reporting on right now, but this recall was actually issued a little while ago, a few weeks ago, and we have a recall for the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. Brand new vehicle. In terms of, a new generation, this vehicle has been out for quite a while. And this is a popular vehicle. It's a really nice vehicle. It's a great price. They sell a ton of these. And we have quite a few affected units here. We have from Hyundai, they are issuing the recall over an unintentional airbag deactivation or deployment. And this is going to be affecting 49,719 potential units affected here. So about 50,000 units are being affected here. And this is going to be recalling certain 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe and Hyundai Santa Fe hybrid vehicles. These are the HEVs. So this, whether you have a turbo model, whether you have the hybrid electric vehicle, this is going to be affecting both vehicles, about 50,000 of them. And they say here the main floor wiring harness, which may chafe against the passenger side, and essentially with the passenger side just kind of rubbing against it and things, with that second row passenger seat assembly may become damaged. Those wires and things like that can become frayed and stuff, and they can bend and stress, and those fibers within the wire obviously can become damaged. And obviously when that happens, that can lead to a short, which can then cause the airbags to either deploy unintentionally or prevent the airbags from deploying in a crash. So obviously that's something you never want to have happen. You never want to be in a crash, hopefully, ever. But if you are, you obviously want to have your airbags deploy if the crash is serious enough. And obviously if you never are in a crash, that's awesome, but then you don't want to have your airbags deploy for no reason, because that can get you into a crash. Now, Hyundai says here that the remedy, they will, take it to dealers. Obviously, dealers will inspect and repair or replace the wiring as necessary, and that is going to be done free of charge. Hyundai has already, decided September 23rd they will start emailing owners. If owners do have questions, though, they can contact Hyundai's customer service center. They can call this number for this recall, which is 265. And obviously, as they are going to be sending out letters soon, you can also just go down to your local dealer, or go on nhtsa.gov, which I am obviously doing right here, which we'll have linked down below, so you can obviously see if your specific vehicle VIN and your specific vehicle is part of the close to 50,000 vehicles that we have affected here. And these are both 2024 models. These are both Hyundai Santa Fe, the hybrid version and the non-hybrid version. This is a serious recall. Luckily, we have seen recalls that have been a lot worse recently, but this is a serious recall. Hyundai, they're not saying that you need to park this outside or anything like that, but they will replace that wiring. They will inspect it or repair it, obviously, as necessary, free of charge. So that's going to do it for now, everyone. Really nothing too much to kind of go over on that. We're not gonna make this something that it's not. But if you do have a Hyundai Santa Fe 2024, let me know what you think of it. Is this the first recall you've had on it? Have you had any issues with it? Do you like the car? Let me know what you think down below. That is going to do it for now, and thanks for watching, everyone.